Alright, in this episode, we're going to be adding some storage to the truck. So if you want to watch me struggle how to do it, figure out how to do it so you can avoid the struggle part, then definitely stay tuned. Because it'll be interesting. Alright, so I've got my handy dandy directions here. Step 1 says assembly bracket, attach the bracket to the box. So we're going to get everything out of this envelope here. It's very well taped up for some reason. I'm gonna guess that goes there. Yes, it does. Keys. Alright, we're just going to dump everything out in these little trays here in this tailgate. Got some self tappers with like a washer, a few nuts. Alright, so according to the directions, there's a slot here. Alright, so the lock goes out. We need this to go out as well. Alright, so we're going to put it together like so. Get a few of the washers. I'm going to have to go get a 10mm here in a second. When I look for a ratchet 10mm. Also, I'm using some new equipment. Excuse my clearing my throat. Using some new equipment here to see if I can knock out the tornado force winds that occurred in Kentucky. Alright, so we got my 10mm, and I just got a wrench because no point of it being a ratchet. Alright, so I'm just going to get these somewhat snug, but not like tight. There's a little bit of adjustment in this. Alright, so we're going to pop this on here. Alright, so I was kind of playing with the adjustment here on the back, just making sure it's going to hit those pins. So we're going to go ahead and tighten that down. Now we've got this tightened down, and go ahead and tighten the other one down. Alright, then here's where it basically is like, hey, install this. This is actually kind of spring loaded, so. Alright, so step 2, place the box in the installation location. Be sure this is at least 1 inch clearance from the bottom. Makes sense. On this one, I'm guessing is like a full-size truck. They're using this. I don't think I'll be able to do that because it's not a full-size truck. So I might be able to actually. Nothing's that gap there. I don't like that. I want to see where the mounting holes exactly are. All those are mounting holes, so I can't really use that because there's a gap. But if I move it in, it gets worse. So, all right. So I'm kind of thinking right there. That's the only place I can put it. All right. So now, since it's just me, I gotta find something to hold it up. A piece of wood. Just so I can mark it. It'll probably still be okay. So this is the only thing I'm not real sure of. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and mark it though. I don't think welding chalk will. What? Oh, my rubber. Try it. Probably not though. Oh, well. Alright, it's definitely not gonna be exact there. Alright, so we've marked it. Now we're gonna take it off. And I have to get my drill. Alright, so we've got my extension shoved in the drill with the 10mm. Just so we can do these self-tappers. So, I'm gonna get up here. Move this completely out of the way. Alright, so we're gonna try to line this up the best we can with where we had it. And then I'm gonna try to hold it at the same time. This would be a whole lot easier with 2 people, but I won't have my assistant today. There's one. It's a little lower than I planned, but we'll be fine. Straight. Alright, move this box a little bit more out of the way here. It's a lot easier with appropriate tools. Alright. Now we go ahead and start all the other ones. This is the only one I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do here. It's already got some bumpers. Alright, we'll just leave it blank for now. Just came with extra parts, that's all it was. There you are. Wood out of the way. As far as level, pretty close by doing it by eye. So it's not bad there. You have to kind of slam it. Alright, so overall, not too bad. Could definitely be a lot cheaper. Oh, and it does have a lock. You can only take this off once it's open. So if you don't want someone to steal it, you can lock it. But the next test here is to make sure I can close my tailgate. Oh no. It's fine. Plenty of room. I'll probably tighten that one up a little bit because from where it's not made for this truck, it's a little bit off on the shapes. Now we're gonna get started on this other one. Alright, so we've got everything marked on this one. We go ahead and get those holes started, or those self-tappers in. This kit's all self-tappers. So I'm going to get that in there, and then see how everything works. I'm sure y'all at home like, oh man, that's not the tool for it. Yeah, it's not. I just don't have the tool I need for it here. Alright, so we got that one. I lift it up like we did on the other one. I had to kind of go at an angle because it's got like a piece in the bed here. Right, I gotta go put the other one of these on that other side, but it's good there. Just put the same ones we did in over here. Come on. And the last one. Alright, so like I said, we gotta put the one more that we didn't add in on this other side real quick. And then I think we're pretty much done. So overall, installment time, about 30 minutes. Be a little shorter if you had all your tools with you at the right time. But other than that, it's not too bad. I jumped out before I grabbed this box. Overall, not a bad install. It being even an Amazon part, it's not too bad on quality realistically. Still open it when it's in here, just gotta hold it. Or flip it out and open it all the way. With a lot of storage. Like an ABS plastic. It's actually kind of a stiff plastic. Comes with a lock that actually works. There's a little bit of movement on the thing, but I mean, it's kind of understandable. It's basically on 3 points of contact here. Earlier, if you enjoyed it, definitely hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. And as always, leave a comment. I do address all comments. If there's something you want to see or something you think I should have done better, then by all means leave a comment. It's not going to offend me. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.